we have arrived at D-Day. So today we're heading off to NSXPO. So one of the funny things yesterday is I went to the only 2 Starbucks in Wyoming. Not true, but both of them I went to on opposite ends of the state after hours and hours of driving. I ordered the same drink and it was made incorrectly at both. At least this time I did take it back and actually get what I wanted. But they were cool. And then we've been driving forever. Finally, it feels insane to say that a 5.5-hour day is super short, but we're up early. My driver coming out right now. We're about to hop in this rig, Blue Beauty, and go head to NSXPO. It's the annual NSX Club of America's main event of the year. Hundreds of people from all over the world actually come together and either fly in, drive their cars, come hang out, and we have events planned the entire weekend. So we're gonna show up at the racetrack, and the rest of the vlog is gonna be one condensed version of the entire experience. So for now, let's finish getting there. We're heading to somewhere in Texas. We're gonna go to a racetrack, we're gonna see some fast cars, and have some fun. Time to play Tetris. Just give it a little extra love. Perfect.
Yeah, easy
I mean, yeah, but still the middle of the freeway.
Oh, makes sense.
How weird. So that's one side of the freeway.
Need 2 of them. You just need
The other side's over there.
one big one in the middle.
Huh.
Wow.
Well, we're with our people, guys. Loves people.
Although it's kind of weird, the semis are all mixed with the regular cars. Usually they separate them.
We're all one big happy family, Anthony.
No, we're
right
not.
here in Kansas.
Yes, right? Right here in Kansas. That's it. No, you didn't, but it's probably random when we need to stop at Oklahoma to pick up some random car parts. Very nice guy. Thank you, Chad. Now we can go camping, right, Anthony?
Yeah.
Finally, some legit coffee.
Fair rides.
This is an actual theme park.
Bro, ain't nobody riding on that shit. You fool around and die.
It's real.
All those things are pressed in the hole.
I'm gonna make sure and edit out this voice in this video.
Hey man.
This is a
voice of reason for anybody that wants to get on this.
we in Oklahoma. We got cops everywhere in Oklahoma, apparently. Yeah, it's pretty impressive. I mean, we did this road trip 2 days essentially. Right there is Texas. Yonder,
They slapped them the pads.
Yes, that's fair. But this is it.
Texas, everybody.
Red River. It's not too red today. We have arrived. That's right. The mistress welcoming us to Texas. I want to see a giant sign, a sign bigger than any other sign. There it is. All right, this is it. Welcome to Texas.
Here, right? Game is cracked.
Yep, on in. G2. We've made it.